Okay, it's done now. And so we can just look through all of these sections, and everything is compatible. We've got a warning in Simple Press. What's that warning? Yeah, so that's not the warning here about the prefixing SP with a double underscore is a violation of standards, but it's not going to cause a problem. If we look at Thesis's errors, these deprecated PHP style for class constructors, they aren't actually called because they aren't actually called because if you're using PHP 7, then the deprecated for PHP 4 class doesn't kick in, so they can read it, but it's not a problem. And let's see, this continue outside of the loop is actually neither the break or the continue errors are actually outside of a loop, so it's not really a problem. And this extension MySQL is used in a way that doesn't actually throw this, which, I mean, it's a false positive in any case. So if you see this kind of errors, I mean, 3 warnings and 3 errors with Thesis, then you're going to be fine. A warning with tool set or with types, and they're using all these double underscore method names. That's really the big thing, I think. Yeah, so I'm sure that'll be cleaned up in future versions of tools of types. But in any case, I'm not quite sure what to do about the unknown. I haven't seen an unknown before, so I guess we'll figure that out as soon as I install PHP 7 on this site and see whether or not it continues to work. So hopefully this answered your question. In terms of HTTP2 and the speed of HTTP2, the big difference with HTTP2 is that it allows simultaneous loading of assets. So you don't have to wait for one picture to load for the next picture to load. You can load all of your assets at one time, which considerably speeds up the loading process. And that's really the big gain that happens with HTTP2. So pretty much everybody is using HTTP2 for people who are using a secure domain. So.